Maintaining a pristine lawn or garden requires more than just watering and mowing. It means keeping stubborn weeds at bay. As demand grows for fast-acting, long-lasting weed control, the best weed killers now offer superior coverage, rain-proof protection, and safety for surrounding plants. In this guide, we'll dive into the top weed killer options on the market, considering various factors like types of weeds, safety, lawn size, and ease of use.
List number 1. Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer Concentrate. The Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer Concentrate is one of the most reliable and fast-acting formulas on the market. Designed to tackle the toughest lawn invaders, it delivers visible results within 3 hours of application. It effectively kills over 200 types of weeds and grasses, including dandelions, crabgrass, and broadleaf varieties right down to the root. Its non-selective formula ensures total weed removal from driveways, walkways, patios, and fence lines. Once dry, it becomes rainproof in 15 minutes, ensuring lasting performance even in unpredictable weather. The concentrated formula allows you to mix it with water for large-scale applications, offering exceptional value for big yards. For optimal use, apply on sunny days when weeds are actively growing. The ready-to-dilute design makes it perfect for pump sprayers, ensuring even coverage and quick.
List number 2. RM43 Concentrated Extended Control Weed Killer. The RM43 43% glyphosate plus weed preventer is a heavy-duty formula engineered for long-term vegetation control. Designed for use on non-crop areas, it kills existing weeds while preventing new growth for up to 1 full year. This dual-action concentrate combines powerful weed killer with a soil sterilant effect, making it ideal for driveways, gravel paths, fence lines, and parking areas. It covers up to 17,297 square feet per gallon, offering outstanding coverage for large properties and commercial applications. RM43's systemic action targets roots to ensure complete eradication. Once absorbed through leaves, it travels throughout the plant, ensuring total kill-down to the root system. It's also rain-fast in 2 hours, making it weather-resistant and highly dependable. For homeowners and property managers seeking a spray once, stay clear for a year solution, RM43 delivers industry-grade performance that saves both time and effort. Pros: long-lasting, up to 12 months, wide coverage, professional-grade strength. Cons: not suitable for lawns or areas intended for planting soon.
List number 3. Roundup Dual Action Weed and Grass Killer Plus. The Roundup Dual Action Weed and Grass Killer Plus continues the legacy of one of the most recognized names in lawn care. This 2-in-1 formula kills existing weeds to the root and prevents regrowth for up to 4 months, offering dual protection that most competitors can't match. Ideal for driveways, sidewalks, patios, and fence lines, this product is rain-proof in 30 minutes and delivers visible results within 6 hours. The ready-to-use wand sprayer ensures precise application, minimizing waste and making it perfect for quick spot treatments. Roundup's Fast-Act technology accelerates absorption, while the built-in applicator gives total control over spray direction and intensity. If you want a trusted, quick, and long-lasting solution for unwanted vegetation, Roundup's dual-action formula provides an excellent balance between ease of use and professional effectiveness.
List number 4. The Anderson's Barricade Professional Grade Weed Control. The Anderson's Barricade Professional Pre-Emergent Weed Control is a top-rated preventative solution that stops weeds before they sprout. Unlike post-emergent sprays, this granular pre-emergent herbicide forms a protective barrier in the soil, preventing weeds like crabgrass, goosegrass, foxtail, and chickweed from germinating. The Pro-Grade 0.48% prodiamine formula offers season-long protection. Apply once in early spring and again in fall for year-round results. It's safe to use on established lawns, flower beds, and ornamental landscapes, making it perfect for proactive lawn management. This 18-pound bag covers up to 5,800 square feet ensuring uniform application with a broadcast spreader. The dust-free granules make spreading easy and clean. If your goal is to stop weeds before they start, the Anderson's Barricade delivers exceptional value and professional reliability for lawn care enthusiasts. Pros: prevent weed germination, safe for lawns, long-lasting barrier protection. Cons: doesn't kill existing weeds, for prevention only.
List number 5. High Yield 32170 Kills-All 365, 32 ounces. The High Yield Kills-All 365 is a powerful non-selective herbicide designed to eliminate all vegetation for up to 12 months with one application. Its systemic formula kills weeds, grasses, brush, and vines by penetrating the foliage and destroying the root system completely. Perfect for industrial sites, fence lines, and gravel driveways, this product combines glyphosate and imazapyre, ensuring both immediate kill and extended soil protection. With coverage up to 17,000 square feet per gallon, it offers heavy-duty control for large areas. The rain-fast feature within 1 hour adds convenience, and results are visible within 24 hours on most species. It's one of the most cost-effective long-term weed killers on the market for total vegetation control. If you need a set-and-forget weed killer that keeps areas clear for a full year, High Yield Kills-All 365 is a professional-grade choice with impressive reliability.